Hey there! Welcome to English with Hassan 1 and 2, where learning English is easy, fun, and actually makes sense. We break down grammar, teach you useful phrases, and with over 1,000 videos, there's always something new to learn. Whether it's for school, work, travel, or just for fun, you're in the right place. New lessons every week, if not every day, so hit subscribe and join the community. Let's learn, laugh, and grow together, one English lesson at a time.
Ask questions. My emails, Hassan23 at, so this symbol is pronounced at gmail.com. So what is the question? Number 2. Her email is georgina89 at yahoo.com. That's the question. Number 3. His email is robinson54 at hotmail.com.
What's the subject of your email?
What's the question? Number 4.
Okay. What would you like the email to say?
Their emails carl at citymail.com. What's
Here's
the
your
question?
email message to Robinson. It says, their emails to that car at citymail.com. Ready to send it? Would you like to send, cancel, change subject, add, or change message?
So when you finish, let's go to the next slide.
Okay, here's your email message to Robinson. It says, so when you finish, let's go to the next slide. Are you ready to send it? Would you like to send, cancel, change subject, add, or change message?
So now write the names of 7 colors.
Here's your email message to Robinson. It says, so now write of the names of 7 colors. Ready to send it? Would you like to send? Okay, I won't send it.
Write the names of 7 colors. Let's go to the next slide. Ask question using the word married. So the answer is yes, I am. So what is the question? Yes, I am. What is the question? So in the question, you should write the word married. So in all 4 questions, you should write the word married. Number 2. No, he isn't. So what is the question? With the word married. Number 3. Yes, she is. So what is the question? With the word married. And the last question, number 4. No, they aren't. So what is the question with the word married? When you have finished writing all these 4 questions, you can go to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide. What are the months of the year? So as you know, we have 12 months of the year. So it's better to write them in order. What is the first month? What is the second month? What is the third month? What is the fourth month? What is the 5th month? What is the 6th month? What is the 7th month? What is the 8th month? What is the 9th month? What is the 10th month? What is the 11th month? And what is the 12th month? So when you write them all, you can go to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide. Ask questions using the word health. So what is the question when we say, I am fine, thanks? So what is the question? Or he isn't very well. What's the question? Number 3, she is great, thank you. What is the question? And the last one, number 4, they aren't okay. What is the question? So when you have finished these 4 questions, you can go to the next slide. What are the seasons of the year? As you know, we have 4 seasons in a year. So what are they? What's the first season? What's the second season? What's the third season? What's the fourth season? So what says in your right, so you need to write the following season. It's better to write them in order, but it's not a problem if you start with any season. You can start with any season, but you need to write them in order. When you have finished, you can go to the next slide. Ask questions for the underlined words. I am 25. So in the question, don't write again 25 because it's in the answer. You should write the question about 25. So if you write 25 in the question, it's not correct. If you say to me, are you 25? It's not correct. Because ask questions for the underlined words, it means you don't have the right to write 25. If you write it, it's not correct. Number 2, he loves the green color. So don't repeat color in the question. If you say he loves the green color, so it's not correct. Number 3, she speaks 3 languages. So you should write the question, but don't write the word 3. If you write it, it's not correct. And the last question, David usually goes to the gym. So in the question, you shouldn't write usually. For the last question, if you want to know the answer, you should go to the lesson of adverbs of frequency. Because in adverbs of frequency, we studied how to ask question when we have always, usually, sometimes, often, never, etc.